I'm sure you've heard the news. Plant-based diets are in. Here's how to make it deliciously easy. Introducing the Plant-Based Cookbook, your ultimate guide to a healthier, tastier life. Packed with over 200 scrumptious recipes, this cookbook makes plant-based eating a breeze. Imagine starting your day with peanut butter quinoa or indulging in a hearty curry tofu for dinner. And let's not forget the decadent protein fudge bars for dessert. But it's not just about the delicious food. Studies show that a vegan diet can improve heart health, boost weight loss, and give you glowing skin. The Plant-Based Cookbook is designed to make your transition to veganism enjoyable and effortless. It even includes a 30-day vegan jumpstart guide, over 100 smoothie recipes, and a complete grocery shopping list. Ready to embrace the power of plant-based cooking? Grab your copy of the Plant-Based Cookbook today for just $27 and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Click the link below and get cooking.